Hi, this is the manual fruit slicer. The body of manual fruit cutter slicer is made of high-quality food-grade stainless steel, which is more strong and durable and can be washed by water without worry about getting rust. Thanks to the detachable blades, which is sharp enough to complete slicing quickly, make much easier to disassemble and clean. The handle of the vegetable slicer used to save your efforts in your slicing process and to avoid careless cutting to your finger. The high elastic spring can pop out the food and ensure your precise slicing, and the powerful sucker make more stable and safer. The thickness of the commercial vegetable fruit slicer is adjustable from 0 to 0.6 inch to meet different needs. Rotate the knob clockwise to make the slice thicker and rotate the knob counterclockwise to make the slice thinner. The storage tank of the veggie slicing machine can reach 8.5 to 5 inch, which can easily deal with a variety of ingredients at a time. This shredder is equipped with adjustable push rods so that all kinds of food can all be sliced easily. This manual food slicer can be applied to a variety of scenarios. It can slice fruit and vegetables, widely used in commercial places like supermarkets, restaurants, fruit shops, milk tea shops. It is also very efficient and convenient for home use. I can recommend it.